In our recent survey of over 100 executives, scenario planning was rated as the most challenging process for finance teams right now. But at the same time, it's become indispensable for companies looking to respond quickly amid uncertainty. Scenario planning is like writing a story with so many endings. You lay out possible outcomes, understand their impact to the company, and plan a response, trying to remain proactive instead of reactive to whatever lies ahead. But predicting the future isn't easy, which is why we have several tips to help guide your planning process. First, identify your critical triggers. What are the likely external factors that would greatly impact your business, like losing a supplier, a significant change in demand, or winning a huge contract? And how does that affect your key internal drivers? Second, develop multiple scenarios, but don't go overboard. It's impossible to predict all of the variables of the future. Instead, choose 2 or 3 major uncertainties and build scenarios from there. A simple example, plotting scenarios if business goes up 15%, down 15%, or stays steady. And third, build a nimble response strategy. Each scenario should have enough detail to help you better understand the likelihood of success for a proposed strategy. Plot the best course of action from there. By having a framework based on what could happen, you'll be ready to make the tough decisions that'll help your company succeed despite uncertainty.